off trussing a chicken. So how I was taught to do it, we always believe who taught us, was take your bird, trim the top wings down. Okay. And then what we're gonna do with these birds, we'll pull a little fat off their poke's nose. We'll throw a lemon in there, some bay leaves, a couple sprigs of fresh thyme. All right, now let's form our bird. So we'll crunch it a little bit. And our butcher's twine comes underneath their tail, double loop, serpent's knot. Cinch it down lightly, come over their leg joints, under their little armpits. And then you'll tie it off on the neck up here. Nice and snug. Another surgeon's knot on top of that. Trim your butcher's twine up, and there's your truss bird. What I like to do when I roast it, oops, are we still going? Oh yeah, we're still going. So what I like to do when we roast it is we'll brush it with olive oil, salt, pepper, herbs. We'll sear it off. In the oven, the breast side towards the back of the oven, because that's the hottest part of the oven. And a bird this size, which is about 3.5 pounds, about 45 minutes on 400. Let it come out. When it comes out of the oven, turn it upside down to let it rest so the juices settle back into the breast. Give about 15-20 minutes to rest, and then your bird's ready to eat. Thanks.